Now let us understand the next factor, which is the catalyst. Now what is the effect of a catalyst on the state of equilibrium is? Let us understand this. But for this, first you need to understand what exactly the catalysts are. See, the catalysts are the chemicals which alters the rate of the reaction without participating in it. They changes the rate of the reaction without participating in it or without getting consumed in it. They are very important substances. Though we have been knowing them from a long time, nowadays with the modern science we have developed such new type of synthetic catalysts by which we can manipulate almost all types of reactions. Now, we believe initially that these are substances which definitely will going to be affecting the state of equilibrium also, but it is not like this. You only have to understand here what is the effect of the catalyst, because catalyst as such is a very complex term which you will be able to understand only in your class 12th chapters like surface chemistry, your DNF block, which is taken in detail in your class 12th, along with your chapters like coordination, etc. Now, what you need to understand now is what is the effect of this catalyst is. Now, how does a catalyst affects the equilibrium? You need to understand very clearly. Catalyst has no effect on the state of equilibrium, and its presence doesn't affect equilibrium, and its presence doesn't affects equilibrium state at all. This is most important. So catalyst has no effect on equilibrium. The only thing it does is that it reduces the time to achieve the equilibrium, because it increases the rate of the forward reaction or of a backward reaction, so we can reach the state of equilibrium in a much faster way. So it only reduces the time to achieve the equilibrium. So what you need to know is that catalysts, they only reduces the time to achieve the state of equilibrium, else it has no effect on equilibrium. How it reduces the time? Because it is the one which actually is increasing the rate of the reaction. So if suppose the equilibrium of any chemical reaction is achieved in 50 minutes or in 60 minutes, by the use of the chemical we can reach to that state in either maybe in 1 minute or in 40 seconds or in 50 seconds, like this. So it reduces the time. That's the only thing it can do.